I'm going to show you something now called custom selectors. Very useful tool. So on this page here I have a set of menu items at the top: about us, services and pricing, and each one of these menu items actually links to a section of this same page. So for example, if I click on the about us menu item, the page scrolls to the about us section. If I click on the services menu item just here, the page scrolls to the services section. Finally, if I click on pricing, the page scrolls to the pricing section. This works really well on a mobile as well. So in this lesson, I'll have a look at how that's done so that you can see exactly how to do this for yourself. So I'm going to go and edit this page just here, and we'll have a look behind the scenes at how things are working. So in this first section here, about us, I'm going to go into the settings for this section, into the advanced tab, and then I'm going to scroll down to the section called custom selectors. And here you can see that this entire section has been given a HTML ID, which is about-us. Now, if I scroll a little bit further to the services section, you can see that the HTML ID to this section is services. And finally, if I scroll down to the pricing section just here, you can see that the HTML ID pricing has been applied to this section. And that is how you can reference and anchor different sections within your pages. So let me now go back into the dashboard. I'm going to go into the website builder and into menus, and I'll show you the menu that has been allocated to this page, which is this one called digital learning. At the end of this row, I can click the three dots and edit that menu just here. Now, if I have a look at this menu, first of all, I can see the three menu items: about us, services and pricing. If I click the pencil icon next to those, I can see what's going on here. So I can see the label is set to show about us on the menu itself, and the link or the URL to that page is set as this one here. Now, because this starts with a /, the site assumes the site name goes before that, and it will then add on /products, #about us. /products is the page, #about us is the section. Now, the full address would look like this that I'm typing in here. So my site address is called helpwithdigital.com. So my full address would look like that. And that is the address that I could use within an email or within some sort of external site. And that would take the visitor to my site, to that page, and then scroll to that particular section. The reason in the Easy Builder we tend to avoid that within the menu is because if we ever change our site name, we would need to update all these links as well. And by starting it with the / and then the page name and the anchor for the section, the HTML ID tag, that is all you need, and any changes to your site name would be done automatically. If I look at the others, you can see that the services is very similar. This time it's /products, #services, and of course the pricing section, as you probably expect, is set to /products, #pricing. Now, if I wanted those links to open in a new tab, I could tick this box just here. So that's how we've set the menu up, that's how we've set our custom selectors up, and how you can use it within your Easy sites.